What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Just wanted to say something small. I was talking to a associate of mine the other day, and the conversation came up on finding jobs in a particular area, and it was said that in this particular area, they was real strict on people being felons, people having a background, and then if you look in the area, it's like they locking all people up, or people get little bitty charges and they have to go through these temp services. And these temp services, that's how they make money, because the company be like, oh, I don't want to hire them, but through them I work them until I need them, so you ain't got to have insurance, you don't get none of that, but you get a check. So my personal opinion, isn't that the same thing of being independent? You could just represent yourself, be an independent contractor to these certain businesses to, provide your services, because they'll pay for the job. They want the job done. They just don't want to pay for your insurance. They don't want to pay for the overhead. They just want to pay to get the job done. So that's fine. You cover your own stuff and you charge them just for your services. Like, hey, I'm 10-9. Because you can be a independent contractor and just have your independence when you got all your tools and equipment, and you pull up and get paid 10-9 to do these jobs instead of trying to go through these staffing services. You can actually hit some of these companies up and just go to the company, knock on the door. You know what I mean? This is what I do. I can help you when you need some help. I know you're trying to hire on, I move around, or I got a felon, and on certain jobs, they don't care. They just want the job done. So sometimes I think it's better to just think outside the box, man, because these temp agencies ain't doing nothing but making money off of you, and tend to charge the other companies a little bit more just to provide them with a worker. And they say, oh, yeah, we done took them through this, our training steps or orientation or whatever it is, you know what I mean, so they can get their money. Why you can't do that for yourself? Make you a portfolio, a resume that you can actually pass out to these companies and say, hey, I'm looking for some independent work. When things are down, that's fine. I can go move around. But if things are up right now, you don't mind hiring me. This is what I do. And actually, I have got farther that way. And honestly, I have went through temp services. Don't get me wrong. I've been there. You know what I mean? I've been there, done that. And now, honestly, if they call me and it's a good job and they gonna give me what I'm asking for, I'm like, yeah, I do that for, a week, 2 weeks, as long as I'm getting paid for war, pay my money. And then even then I do no taxes, and I do my own taxes, you know what I mean? That way I'm getting all my money, and I can write off my expenses from going there, coming, getting tools, getting clothing for the job or whatever, because there's so many things you can write off, but you don't really know. So that's why I'm telling you, if you got it in you to be independent, or you tired of knocking on these doors and getting turned around because you a felon, or you a minority, or it's a buddy system, be independent and have good work ethics. Because one thing for sure, they will pay for your work ethics and your skill set. Hold on.